Here you will learn how to set reminders for the medicine, upcoming birthdays, credit cards, meetings, kitty party, anniversary on your iPhone without third-party app using iOS Reminder app. Don't miss to subscribe, like, share for more tips. First, open Reminder app on your iPhone. Tap on plus icon to add a new reminder and type easy to define the title. Here my reminder for my credit card. Once you have done, tap on icon button to set custom reminder options. Enable reminder on a day for wake up for particular days. Set the time frame with date and specific clock time for that day. Next, option is for a repeat for all month, daily, weekly or yearly. Also, you can set and repeat time. Next, option is remind me at a location. For particular location, you can enable this reminder. Here I want to enable for the location of Apple Inc. ground area. Next is set the priority for a reminder compared to other created reminders. Anytime we can delete reminder by swipe left to right on list. Another way to set reminder is using Siri. Wake up Siri using Hey Siri command. And give command for set reminder for a credit card on 5th. Once Siri set a new reminder, you can edit from Reminder app anytime. Let's see from where to do and how to do.